Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present about project 2 code DJJ 50193. Our project title is E-Handcycle for wheelchair. Our group consists of 2 members, namely Akmal Riza bin Wa'ad and Muhammad Afiq Syawal bin Muhammad Yusuf. Our group supervisor's name is Mr. Zairul Azrul bin Zakaria. The content of our project is objective, problem statement, project scope, comparison, project concept, sketching screening, material used in project, bill of material, drawing by Katia V5, project fabrication, Gantt chart project 2, project picture, how E-Handcycle work, and conclusion. Objective of this project is to study about E-Handcycle for wheelchair, to design a E-Handcycle for wheelchair, and to fabricate the E-Handcycle for wheelchair. Problem statement. A wheelchair is a wheelchair used when walking is difficult or impossible due to illness, injury, or disability. Wheelchairs come in a variety of formats to meet the specific needs of each user. It may include specialized seating adjustments, individual controls, and may be specific to specific activities as seen with sports wheelchair and beach wheelchairs. The best known differences are between a powered wheelchair, where propulsion is provided by a battery and an electric motor, and a manually propelled wheelchair, where the driving force is provided either by the wheelchair user pushing the wheelchair by hand or by the attendant pushing from behind. The purpose of this E-Handcycle for wheelchair is to make it easier for wheelchair users to face difficulties in daily life, such as having to use energy to move their own wheelchair. Project scope, system scope, rechargeable battery, wheelchair, LCD meter, throttle, brain power motor controller, disc brake bike, handle, hub wheel motor, and fork bike. User scope, focus on daily wheelchair user, fit for others, age 60 plus, body weight. Comparison, advantage and disadvantage for wheelchair electric and wheelchair attachment. Wheelchair electric advantage, best for the person who want to travel more, do not to need to rely on anyone, quiet motor, and tremendous look. Disadvantage, high price, appropriate maintenance required, transportation is not easy, and heavy and weak. Wheelchair attachment advantage, not too expensive, portability, easy to fold it, not too heavy, and do not to need to rely on anyone. Disadvantage, uncomfortable and not suitable for long distance travel. Project concept, design concept 1. Design concept 2. Design concept 3. Final. Sketching screening, design criteria, usability improvement, cost, complexity of design, easy to operate, ergonomic, durability, comfort, safety feature. Concept 1, total 15, concept 2, total 19, and concept 3, total 21. Material used in project. Rechargeable battery, prime power motor controller, DC 36 volt and LCD meter, hard wheel motor. Disc brake bike, throttle and fork bike. Bill of material. Total cost of this project is Rm 1032. Drawing by Katia V5. Progress fabrication, cutting iron, after custom fork bike and custom box for battery and brake power. This is my Gantt chart project activity in 14 weeks. In the early days, wheelchairs were created for the purpose of facilitating the life of those who were disabled and unable to walk. Today, the facility seems to have been improved with the creation of a E-Handcycle for wheelchair that make it easier for its user to travel around. The main reason this project is conducted was because of the recent E-Handcycle for wheelchairs still can be improved in some way. The demand for E-Handcycle for wheelchair is quite high, and it is important to improve the existing attachment to make it more practical and efficient. Students could learn about understanding the mechanism of the attachment and facing the problem of improvising the existing E-Handcycle for wheelchair. It is important for this project to achieve its objective without set aside the scope